Checking your transaction history on your Discover card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discover website or open the Discover mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to transactions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select date range. You may have the option to filter your transaction history by date. Choose the desired date range to see transactions from a specific period. Step 4. Review transaction details. Browse through the list of transactions. Click on any transaction for more details, including the date, amount, and merchant information. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a physical copy or want to save the information, look for options to download or print your transaction history. Follow the prompts to complete this action. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on your Discover card. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you manage your finances effectively.